what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. And yeah girl, it's my birthday and I am so freaking happy. I'm so freaking happy with this makeup and this curl because first time life mein I did this kind of a beachy wave. This is not curl, this is more of a like beachy wave and it's very simple, okay? And I'm super excited to share with you guys this makeup look and hopefully you will enjoy this, you will love it and also you will learn something from this. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with skincare. So first I'm using greenberry sunscreen and it has SPF 50 in it. I already did my basic skincare, morning skincare, and now next move on to primer. So for that I am using Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. It's a silicone based primer and I am using teeny mini amount of primer just around my nose because my nose is like hell oily. And now I'm going to use this sugared illuminating cream and this is in the shade pink. I freaking love this, okay? And this is one of the best illuminating cream I have used because I have the Maybelline one, but that has like a chunky glitter particle. It doesn't have. It will give you a beautiful glow. Like look at this, it is a beautiful cream, you have to try this. And now I'm going to use foundation. So for that I am using Maybelline Superstay foundation and it's a mattifying foundation and I am using just one pump. And first I am going to blend this with my finger taki foundation kam lage, and it's a very drying foundation. So if you have a dry skin, skip this, but my skin is extremely oily and for summer this is like my lifesaver. And it's a full coverage foundation and it's a beautiful match. Like look at this. And now I'm going to take teeny mini amount of foundation and I'm just going to use it around my nose area because my nose is sharp, so side में थोड़ा सा dark patches रह जाता है. To cover it I am using like a little amount of foundation. And first I am going to use Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer and this is in the shade medium. By the way, that foundation shade is also medium because my skin tone is like a medium to whitish. And this concealer has a little bit of golden undertone it to hide the dark patches and everything. And on top of it I am going to use NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and this is one shade lighter than my skin tone, you can totally see that. And the shade name I forgot, I am gonna attach the link, don't worry. And can you see it instantly brighten up my T-zone areas because it's a brightening concealer for me. सो फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने वो वेट एंड वाइल्ड का कंसीलर इस्तेमाल किया था तब मैंने टी जोन पे इस्तेमाल नहीं किया बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू हाइड ऑन माई टी जोन. So yeah, you can totally instantly see the difference that it's like my T-zone is highlighted now. And now I'm going to use powder. So for that I'm using Maybelline Fit Me powder and this is in the shade 25 medium. And do not use like a too much of powder, इसीलिए hand की जो back है उसमें थोड़ा सा dab कर लो ताकि excess powder निकल जाए. And I am using it only on my under eye area. I'm not gonna use it on my full face, though my face is oily still because the foundation is extremely mattifying. And to draw my brows I am using LA color brow pencil and this is in the shade dark brown. I freaking love this and look at this, brow can change your whole look. And next move on to eyeshadow. So for that I am using NYX Nika के eyeshadow palette and this is their birthday collection and I am using the light yellow shade to highlight my crease. And on lid I am using this dark hot pink shade and I am using only half of my lid and you can see that कि inner corner पे मैं एक sharp line draw कर रही हूँ because it gonna look very sexy. And from that same palette I am taking this beautiful light pink shade and I am using only on my inner corner of my eyes and you can see the difference. I love this palette is hell pigmented and yeah, you can totally try this. And look at this, I'm so freaking over excited. And now I'm taking this orange shade and yellow shade and I'm gonna mix this to create the sunset orange. You can see that it's like a beautiful sunset orange and I am using from it like a center of my lid to outer corner. Center पे जो border line है उसको first I am like removing that and outer corner पे मैं इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. Now from that same yellow shade जो कि हम लोगों ने crease highlight किया था, like crease को define किया था, उसमें से I am like again buff it out, and you can see that center inner corner पे वो straight line है. I haven't like उसको मैंने नहीं किया है blend. And now from that same palette वो dark blue shade को I am using on my lower lash line, but half of my lower lash line. I am not bringing that color to my inner corner. Inner corner पे I am using this beautiful tilt, light tilt blue shade, and this is so cute and it instantly pops out my eye makeup. You can see that my eye makeup is looking so gorgeous. And now I'm gonna draw a wing eyeliner. So I am taking Lakme Iconic eyeliner, and now from Wet n Wild palette, and this is their contour and highlighting palette, I guess. And from that palette I am taking that banana shade, and I'm gonna use it under eye pe, and it's gonna make my under eye so bright. You can totally see that it's a magical product, you guys. And now I'm using mascara. This is Lakme Iconic mascara, and I'm using mascara. I'm gonna use falsies, that's why I'm not using any heavy coat of mascara. And do not forget your lower lashes because they need same attention and love. And now I'm gonna use falsies. So for that I am using Nykaa falsies, and this is really good, and I am looking for the shade to tell you, and I think this is their shade, I think Melodrama. Yes, this is a beautiful lashes, and it's not too much dramatic, and it's perfect. And I'm using Nykaa blush, and this is in the shade Malibu Barbie, and from that palette I am using this coral shade. And I love blush, okay, so I am gonna use like tons of blushes, and I love to use blush on my nose to give me like a beautiful sun-kissed kind of a look. I love this blush. And now I'm going to use Nykaa highlighter, and you are going to see a magic. Like, look at this, what is this? And this is like extremely pigmented, so you have to be very careful, and it's so bright that I am looking for my beauty blender to tone it down. And yeah, I love this, it will give you a beautiful glow. And I'm gonna use it this highlighter on the apple of my cheeks, because I love कि my जो apple है face की वो glowing सा दिखे. And yeah, my face is glowing. And do not forget to highlight your body, because my this dress is like a deep cut dress, so I'm gonna highlight my body, my cleavage, and also I'm gonna highlight my hands too. I love this, and because अगर आपकी face glowing दिखे, body बहुत pale दिखे, so it will not wanna suit. And now for lipstick, first I am taking this Miss Claire lip liner, and this is their shade dark brown, and I love this. You know that I love this, and I'm gonna use it as a lipstick too, but मैं सिर्फ outer corner पे इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. And now I am taking this Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipstick, and this is in the shade Prom Night, and I love this two combo, okay, and this is so freaking good that these two combo will make your lips sexy. And now next move on to hair, because I'm gonna do a beachy wave. Though straight hair is also looking good, but I'm gonna try something new. So first I'm going to use this serum L'Oreal Paris. You know that you have to use this serum before styling your hair, and I'm gonna use it. Next I'm gonna use heat protector. Without heat protector, do not use any styling tools. So, and it has a beautiful fragrance in it. And yes, finally after waiting for an era, I bought this Philips straightener, and now I'm gonna do beachy wave, and you're gonna see magic in a second. And look at this, like you just need to hold this. And if you want a full tutorial how to do beachy wave with this straightener, just let me know. I'm gonna make it, because I'm gonna do it fast forward, otherwise it will be like a more than 30 minutes video and it will be boring. But within a second you are gonna see magic. Just like आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं straightening कर रही हूँ, but no, look at this, like look at this. And I'm gonna repeat this same thing my full hair pe, and I'm just doing it fast forward mode. So let me know if you wanna see a full tutorial. I'm definitely gonna do that. And yes girl, my hairstyle is done and it's looking good. And now I'm gonna open this, otherwise it will not give you that beachy effect. And look at this, like yes. And yes, this is my final look. Hopefully you have liked it. I love it, okay, I love it. And hopefully you have learned something. And do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and the most importantly, stay safe and stay home. Bye bye.